Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Have a look at the question. This question seems to be difficult. Usually it comes in different type of competitive exams. But this question is actually very easy. Analyze the statement very carefully, and maybe if you are aware about the answer, you know how to solve it, you can write your answer in the comment box. Firstly, a over b to the power square root of 99 minus square root of 97, again square root of 99 plus square root of 97 is there. Looking at the exponents, question seems to be difficult, but check it carefully, there is a pattern formed. This is, if you see carefully, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. A minus b and a plus b is there, and exponent rule which we have done, I'm going to show you a to the power m, then power n. This exponent rule says both exponents will be multiplied. If I am going to multiply them, what will it become? If I am going to multiply with them, it is a minus b, a plus b. Let me write its formula as well. Multiplication of a minus b and a plus b. This algebraic identity says this is equal to a square minus b square. You can multiply both both brackets as well, these both parentheses. But if we have learned the formula, question becomes easy and quick answer can be done. So I'm going to use a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now moving ahead, I'm just directly writing it now. A over b to the power a minus b time a plus b is a square. This is a square minus b square. See, this is what we are going to use, and this is bracket closed because overall it's the power now. Now, even though here if you don't place this bracket because it is not required, already we have made this exponent together, they are multiplied. What will happen now? 99 minus 97, because root and square root is cancelled, and 99 minus 7 is 2, and finally my answer is a square over b square. That means D option is the correct option. I hope you are clear with the concept. Usually whenever this type of difficult question comes, some exponents would be there in a little bit, you can say some pattern would be forming. Like here we have found that it is a minus b whole square. Sometimes you may get a question, I'm just going to elaborate. Let's suppose we get one question, a over b to the power root 5 and further power root 5. So there is no confusion, right? Square root of 5 and square root of 5 you can multiply, and when square root of 5 is multiplied with square root of 5, you will get only 5. In that case, your answer will be a to the power 5 over b to the power 5. It depends what kind of situation is coming, so analysis is very important. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.